Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off ads on Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. First of all, please open Google Chrome on your device. Okay, and then here you can click the options in the upper right corner. After that, you can select settings. Well, after that, you can scroll down and then you can select site settings. And then in the notification section, please turn it off like this. Okay, and then in the pop-up and redirect section, please disable it like this. And then the last one, in the ad section, you can disable it like this. Okay, and then the ads in your Chrome browser were successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off ads on Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.